what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am having some steak, rice, and some potato salad. Thumbnail. Alright, this is where I got this steak from trying, and my husband actually cooked it on the grill. The rice, someone made it that was at the grill. He grew up somewhere else. They made it Spanish rice, and I made a potato salad. Okay? Had some leftover potato salad. So this is what I'm eating today. I got my A1 steak sauce. I got some fruit punch. I'm going to start off with a prayer. Amen and amen again. I'm going to let you guys take the first bite. I do have my knife. Let me see what I can give you some of. I'll give you some of this potato salad first. My daughter should be coming in any minute. She came from practice. My husband picked her up. There we go. Some of this rice. I didn't taste anything but the potato salad so far. Not even the rice, nothing. All right, it's the real deal. Excuse me. Hold on. Let me get this up. All right. My daughter just came back. Her food was ready for her. She got her some nice bananas and strawberries. Want to show them right now? Or you don't feel like showing them?
I'm not going to bother you doing your thing. So, I'm going to be in my truck. I'm going to be in my truck listening to music.
Okay.
Right now, because Daddy was bobbing, right? Yo sigo laborando. Guerrero el sol. Patrullando. Alright, y'all, I'm back. My husband was in a good mood. He wanted to come in here singing. About to get me copyrighted. My daughter didn't want to show y'all her fruit bowl. You were to practice that? Where was that?
I was in my bag and I forgot to take it out and I just saw it.
Oh, okay. Put it back where we always put it, by the TV.
Okay.
Yeah, so good. Story time. No, I'm just hungry. All right, y'all. I'm just hungry. Matter of fact, I want to taste this steak without my A1 sauce first.
The cookie's already almost gone.
Yeah, because you were eating them.
Crazy. Nah, there was a good, 6 left.
There was a good, 6 left?
Yeah, now there's 3. Someone ate half the cookies. That's crazy. That's suspicious.
That's suspicious? Somebody ate half the cookies? That was fast. When did we get them? Yesterday? Huh? When did we get them? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Got a big old thing of chocolate chip cookies like this.
Yeah, it's already almost gone.
It's maybe 3 left.
Someone was playing and started eating my cookie.
They were not yours.
Yes, they are.
They were everybody's cookies, but
In my heart, they're mine.
in her heart, they were hers, but they were everybody's. And they're going already. I know at least, like, I usually don't eat sweets like that, but I know I ate at least. How many did I eat? Oh, this one got some fat on it. I ate at least 5. How many cookies was in there? Like 20 something?
I think so.
Well, whatever it was, they were good.
So you're saying you ate the cookies?
I'm sorry, I ate about 5.
Okay. I ate about 5 too.
5 plus, I was about to say.
I kind of ate 5 too. Times 2.
Oh, I know. I definitely know. It's so good. That fruit bowl good?
I didn't even start on the bananas. Strawberries are so good. I'll start eating some bananas.
She got strawberries and bananas. I started making one of those, but you see how big this food is, this steak is?
Hey, Mom.
Hmm?
You ever thought about making smoothies? Strawberry and banana smoothies?
Yeah, I made it before for me. You want it for you?
Yeah.
This
They actually make it good, though.
ain't gonna make you nasty.
I don't know. I never tasted your smoothies. I tasted your cooking in it. I'll give it a good A.
But smoothie.
Sometimes
You wanna
it's
try it?
A-. Yeah.
You said sometimes it's A minus when it's something you don't want.
Not when it's something I don't want. Sometimes it's just.
Not for you. And so that's okay. You don't have to like everything.
Maybe in 7 years when I'm 14. Not in 7 years. In a couple more years, because it'll change when I'm 14. Because your taste buds change every 7 years. Maybe I'll like it then.
So, how was practice?
I'm not gonna do my whole practice on camera. I'm not gonna do that.
You know what I'm saying? Was it good?
Yeah, it's okay.
It was okay?
Mm-hmm.
You must-
Pretty good. It's not like it went bad. I just don't feel like explaining them right now. That's what on camera. You always do that.
You don't feel like explaining because I'm online, right?
Mm-hmm. I'm really sure.
So, when you want something or you do something like, no, I can't explain it now. Okay? That's so good. I didn't even show you how big the steak was. But look how big it is. And I ate half of it. That might be a good thumbnail. That might be a good one. Whew. I can't even get myself together, y'all. I'm trying. A little tired, Eating a little late. Oh, you know what? I'm about to put some of this lemon and juice on her. Let's see how that tastes. See if that's bussin'. Some of the words that I say now, y'all, my daughter be like, I'm old. I shouldn't be saying it. Which, she don't know I'm still young. A lot of stuff they say now is corny. Or, we already said that once upon a time. They biting our style now. This fruit bunch is so good. Oh, it's so good. This was a hefty plate. After this, I'm definitely gonna have to walk around somewhere. Can't lay down on this stomach. Is that music? No.
Huh.
Is that music? No. Remember, you know I'm recording. I can hear it. Little girl. Y'all be trying to get my videos done before everybody get back home. It seems like I can never do it. I always do it when they're here or they're on their way. Or I just don't feel like eating at that time when they're not here. I'm surprised I can eat tonight because I really haven't had the appetite that I had lately. Like I can eat the big bowls and noodles, all that extra stuff. That's why I make no noodles video in a while, but I think I'm getting my appetite back a little bit. No, I'll be able to eat and do my challenges. Because, of course, I got the scorpion hot sauce and we had some chicken today. A whole bunch of chicken, but I couldn't get myself in order so I can go ahead and do that challenge. So, of course, your girl just I'm going to hold off until I'm ready. Because y'all know I always want to do something extra on there. Instead of just doing 6, probably go a little overboard. Some of the people I saw eating it, doing the scorpion challenge, I saw them drenching it in the hot sauce. Then some of them I saw just putting some dabs on it. I mean, is there a correct way? And I saw Xtina doing it. She drenched hers. But she loves hot stuff anyway. She always ready for a good challenge. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I'm full. I couldn't take another bite. Look. Still got a hefty piece right here. I just can't do it. Y'all want the rest of it? Here. Let's have it. Because your girl can't eat it. She full. She had enough. That was it, and that is all. Probably because I'm drinking this good old fruit punch. It's so good. Woo. Now that was a good meal. That was a good meal. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I don't know what I'm going to try to eat next. Try something. I got my bowls for my noodles. Like kind of like the Korean bowls, the Chinese bowl, whatever. I got a bowl. 2 of them with the spoons and all that stuff. Oh, excuse me. When I get myself together, I'm gonna make me some noodles with that. Some kind of noodles. I haven't ordered any noodles in a while. I usually get a whole bunch off of Amazon. I haven't had any in a while off of Amazon. I gotta order me some black noodles, black bean noodles. One of the spicy ones. That's what I need now. Anyway, y'all, your girl is full. Belly is on overload. I'm done. I'm about to actually end this video. I just came to chit chat with y'all for a little bit and eat with y'all. You know, your girl couldn't leave y'all hanging for too long. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you'll know when your girl uploads her next video. Until next time, see ya.